Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Chini. So you're highly welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna quickly share with you guys how I straighten, like how I relax my hair at home. Okay, so this is basically my own method of relaxing my hair. Like when someone say, "Oh, I'm relaxing my hair," people will think that the person is putting relaxer. Okay, so actually, not everyone like relaxer. Okay, relaxer is basically a chemical that you apply in your hair that can help to soften your natural hair and make it easy for braiding and less painful. So, in this video, I washed my hair and I'm gonna be using my hair comb, my straightener, hair straightener comb to straighten my hair. Okay, so I'm also going to be using my hot comb for it. And actually, why I'm also using my hot comb is also to flatten the root, okay, the root of the hair, and make it easy for braiding so that it will be less painful for me. Actually, here I also use my hand dryer to dry it because I just came out from the bedroom, and I'm so happy to share this method with you guys. And some of you, I shared some of the pictures of my hair on Instagram. A lot of you were saying that I relax my hair. Actually, I don't relax. Okay, I use hair straightener to straighten my hair, and this brush right here, I newly got it because I've been trying to see what will work for my hair, and because I don't like to apply what do they call it, I don't like to apply relaxer on my hair, so I just want something that will be easy for me, easy going, that will just help me to get my hair okay. And the most beautiful thing about hair straightener is that when you use it to straighten your hair, it will not break whenever you are washing it. But the disadvantage of relaxer is that when you use relaxer to relax your hair, it will be good, nice, not until you want to wash it. When you want to wash it, that chemical, because it has weakened the hair, it will now start making the hair to break, okay, and be very, very soft. And you can't even, handle it with, with power. I don't know how to say that, okay. So you can't handle your hair very well because you'll be afraid that it's going to break. But this hair straightener makes it a lot more easier and it doesn't break your hair. It only helps to straighten it. And yeah, that's basically all I do for my hair. And this hair you guys are seeing here is just only but 1 year and some months. It's not even up to 2 years. It will be 2 years in July 11, because July 11, 2021, I started making my hair. Okay, so this is to show you guys how fast my hair grow. Imagine having this kind of hair under 2 years, and yeah, that's basically it. I have a very nice hair, okay, and I've been having a long hair before I go on for low cut. And that's basically it, guys. That is all I want to share with you guys. I want you guys to keep watching, see the process, see how I do it. I know it's not easy to maintain natural hair, but trust me, what they try and what they maintain, natural hair is the best, and is the best. So yeah, guys, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe after watching. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.